Here's how to customize notifications on an iPhone 11 running iOS 13.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Notifications for apps in iOS come in two different styles: badges that you see here, the little red circles, and banners, like here. Notice the sound is also played by default. This can be annoying if you use a lot of apps and receive a lot of notifications. You can customize how you receive notifications. If we go into settings and open notifications by tapping on it, you'll see that there is no way to turn off all notifications. You wouldn't want to do this because then you would receive no notifications at all. And for things like messages or FaceTime or even phone calls, you want notifications. To customize notifications for each app, look under Notification Style. You'll see the notification style for each app listed. If I tap on the Books app, which I never use, I can turn off notifications completely. To do this, just move the switch at the top of the notifications panel to the left to turn off all notifications. I won't receive any notifications from books. I'd like to customize my notifications for Twitter because while I use the app, I get a lot of notifications, and each time I get a notification, a sound plays. I'd like to turn that off. I'll go into notifications once more, scroll down until I find the Twitter app and tap on it to open the notifications panel. I can remove the banners, remove notifications from the notification center, or remove them from the lock screen. Just tap the check mark under each item to remove it. Tap it once more to add it. I'm going to turn off the banners as well, so that if I'm doing something on my phone, I will not see a banner each and every time a Twitter notification comes in. But I'll leave notifications in the notification center and on the lock screen, so I can still see them when my phone is locked. The last thing I want to do is turn off the notification sound, so I'll just tap on the switch that says Sounds to turn it off. I'll leave the badges switch on so that I'm able to see the badges in the upper right corner of the Twitter app when I get a notification. If you swipe up to scroll down, you'll see a link that says Twitter notification settings. Tapping on this link will open the Twitter app, allowing you to access the notifications from within the app. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.